Hello guys, today we will discuss about the number of atoms present in a unit cell. So first we will discuss about the primitive or simple cubic unit cell. So all we know that any crystal lattice is made up of an infinite number of unit cells. Now I am drawing a crystal lattice in which each corner atom of one unit cell is shared between 8 other unit cells. Now see, this is a structure of crystal lattice. I am considering one portion of the unit cell like this. This is the unit cell and this is one of the corner atom present in that unit cell. So, one corner atom of any unit cell is shared between 8 adjacent unit cells. Therefore, only 1/8 of an atom actually belongs to a particular corner of a unit cell. See, I am considering a ball or a sphere like this. If I will cut this ball or sphere in 8 equal portions, then each portion will contribute how many atoms? Each portion of this sphere will contribute 1/8 portion of that original volume. So similarly, in case of one corner atom in a unit cell, this is shared between 8 adjacent unit cells. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and other 4 unit cells are at the upper and lower layers. So therefore, their contribution will be 1/8. Now see, this is a example of simple cubic unit cell. We all know that in case of simple cubic unit cell, all atoms are present only at its 8 corners. This is one corner atom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And this is the open structure of a simple cubic unit cell. These atoms or ions present in a unit cell are always in close packed. That is a space filling structure. See, there are 8 atoms present in a unit cell and which are closely packed with each other. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and other one is the back side of the face. Now see the actual portions of different atoms present in a cubic unit cell. This is the actual portions of different atoms present in a simple cubic unit cell. Each corner of this unit cell will contribute 1/8 portion of its original volume. Now see how many atoms present in a simple cubic unit cell. The calculation is like this. The calculation is like this. The number of atoms present in a simple cubic unit cell is equal to 8 corners into 1 8 per corner atom is equal to 1 atom. So, in case of a simple cubic unit cell, the number of atoms present is only 1. Thank you.